Maayong adlaw, ang akong i-discuss karon ay ang introduction to programming. Before computers. Long before computers existed, people wrote down steps to complete tasks. In cooking, for example, recipe list ingredients in the order they should be added to ensure the dish turns out as expected. A mistake in the order can affect the taste. New chef must list both ingredients and step-by-step cooking processes. This detailed writing of procedure is important in cooking, and many experienced cooks keep pages of recipes with the secret ingredients and detailed steps for their dishes. Sa una, nawapay computer, ang mga tao is ginasulat pa nila ilang mga pamaagi unsaon pagkumpleto sa isa ka himuon. For example, sa pagluto, ni jud nimo sundo ng isa ka recipe para lami ang iyang lasa. Dapat ang pagsulat nila sa una isunod-sunod kay kung dili makaepekto na siya sa lasa sa imong giluto. Birth of computers. During World War II, the US recruited women called computers to do manual calculations for the military. With the invention of electronic devices, the woman manual steps were simplified into algorithms, which are then coded into computer programs telling machines what to do step by step. So, kining computer na name is originally siya na gipangalan sa mga babae sa una. Kining mga babae is gi-recruit sila para maghimo og calculation para sa military. At tung nauso na ang electronic devices, gibalhin na ang ngalan na computer sa electronic devices. Kanang gihimo sa mga babae sa una na mga steps is ginatawag na siyang algorithms. Then gihimo siya code para magsugo sa mga computers. A program solves a specific problem using computer by following an algorithm, a series of ordered steps. Developing a program involves collecting these steps. Once created, the program undergoes continuous improvement to ensure it works correctly, known as the programming development cycle. Ang pag-solve sa isa ka problem sa computer is mosunod ka sa algorithm. Ang algorithm is kana ang sunod-sunod unsaon nimo pag-solve sa isa ka problema. Pag nahimo na nimo ang isa ka program, need pa man sabna nimo i-improve, dira na mo gawas ang ginatawag nato na programming development cycle. The programming development cycle includes defining, coding, compiling, executing, and fine-tuning a program until it's error-free and produces the expected results. It's called a cycle because it repeats, starting from the beginning after each refinement, ensuring the program is continuously improved until it works perfectly. Ginatawag nato ni programming development cycle kay paotro-otro raman ang imong himuon na steps. Like pangitaon nimo unsay problema, mangita kag solusyon, otro-otrohon naman na nimo kay kana ang pamaagi unsaon nimo pag-improve sa imong program. Kini ang pamaagi unsaon nimo pag-improve sa imong program. Number 1 is defining and analyzing the problem. To solve a problem, first ask what needs to be done. The most important step is to clearly identify and define the exact problem, fully understanding the user's needs and wants. Accurate problem definition is crucial. Without it, efforts won't be effective. Programmers usually start with problem analysis at the beginning of the development process to ensure they tackle the real issue. Para masulbad ang isa ka problema, mangutana ka unsay kinahanglan nimo buhaton. Ang importante jud na pamaagi ana is pangitaon nimo unsay jud ang eksakto niya na problema. Ang eksakto jud na iyang problema is importante kay kung wala na dili na nimo siya matarong og ayo. Problem analysis. When analyzing a problem, you start by breaking it into a few large parts. Each part is then divided into smaller segments, and if needed, those segments are split into even smaller pieces until you feel confident about solving them step by step. Always remember that the key to finding a good solution is to clearly understand the whole task and all its details. Kung mutanaw ka sa isa ka problema, need sa nimo siya bahin-bahinon og gagmay. Kung kinahanglan, gamay-gamayon pa nimo siya hangtod sa makasiguro jud ka na kaya na nimo isolve ang isa ka problema, hunahunahon jud nimo na ang importante para makakita kag nindot na solusyon kay sabto nimong isa ka problema. Number 2 is planning the solution. Planning is crucial in writing a good program, as it involves organizing steps logically to complete a task efficiently. Think of a plan as a map showing your progress and guiding your next steps. Good programs are born from patience, perseverance, and dedication. Without planning, coding can waste effort if it doesn't solve the problem. To solve a problem, a programmer first creates a detailed plan on a paper, outlining steps and scenarios like a script. Then they focus on how each step can be executed by the computer, creating algorithms for each part of the plan. Importante ang pagplano para makahimo kag nindot na program. Kung wa kay plano, kanang imong gibuhat na coding is masayang ra kay dili man sab siya makasolve og problema. Ang mga programmer is maghimo sa silag plano sa isa ka papel. Isulat nilang ilang pamaagi unsaon pag-solve sa isa ka problema. Pag human nilag himo og isa ka plano, mag-focus na dayon sila unsaon pag-execute ani sa computer. Maghimo dayon sila algorithms kada plano. So, unsa nga ba ang algorithms? An algorithm is a detailed series of steps using to solve a problem. Just like a recipe provides steps to make a dish, it's a clear step-by-step guide on how to achieve a solution. Kining algorithm is isa siya na detalyado na pamaagi unsaon pag-solve sa isa ka problema. Same ra siya sa isa ka recipe na nag-provide og sunod-sunod na pamaagi. Intellectual disparity. Computers lack human intelligence and rely on programs with human-like steps, executed quickly and accurately. They follow commands one at a time with imperceptible pauses. We use computers primarily for their speed, giving them simple instructions similar to human tasks. Ang mga computer kay walay natural na kaalaman sa mga tao. Nagkasalig sila sa mga programs na gihimo sa isa ka tao. Bisag unsaon pa na sila kapaspas kaysa sa mga tao, nagasunod gyapon sila sa mga sugo. Tungod kay paspas sila kaayo, dili na tumabantayan na nihunong naman di ay siya. Tungod og naggamit tag computer kay mas dali sila gamiton kaysa sa kita ang maghimo. Modeling tools. We previously talked about algorithms being created to solve programming tasks. There are different ways to show these algorithms, making it easier to understand the steps needed to solve the problem. Ganina akong na-discuss ang algorithms ug unsa siya. Naay duha ka klase unsaon nimo pagpakita sa algorithms aron mas masabtan nimo siya maayo. Two popular tools programmers use to present algorithms: pseudocode and flowcharts. Ang pseudocode kay isa siya na statement, mura pud siya syntax. Kining pseudocode dili na siya kinahanglan og mga rules or syntax. Basta lang mabasa nimo siya og masabtan nimo ang mga pamaagi para mahuman ang isa ka task. Kini pong paggamit sa flowchart is nagapakita nig step by step na proseso unsaon nimo pag-solve sa isa ka problema. Kining flowchart is dali ra nimo masabtan kay makita na dayon nimo unsaon ang pamaagi sa pag-solve sa isa ka problem. Number 3, coding the solution. Coding is a critical part of developing a program. At this stage, the steps outlined in the pseudocode or shown in a flowchart are translated into machine code using a programming language. Remember, while pseudocode and flowcharts serve as blueprints showing how to solve the problem, these tools are beyond the machine's understanding. They need to be converted into a form the computer can execute. Kining coding is important siya sa paghimo sa isa ka program. Kining imong gihimo na pseudocode o flowchart is i-translate nimo into a machine code na masabtan sa computer. Kining pseudocode o flowchart kay dili masabtan sa mga computer, so need pa nimo siya himon na isa ka code. Programming languages. Programming languages bridge the gap between human communication and computers, which only understand binary numbers. Due to the difficulty of communicating directly in binary, various programming languages were created to meet user needs. To solve a problem, programmers first create an algorithm using flowcharts or pseudocode and then convert it into a programming language that a computer can understand. Kay dili man masabtan sa computer ang pseudocode o flowchart, need pa nimo siya i-convert into programming languages. Kining programming languages is gihimo ni siya aron ma-convert ang imong mga idea into a code na masabtan sa computers. Number 4 is testing and debugging the solution. Testing and debugging ensure a program works right. Testing means running the program to see if it follows the steps and does what it's supposed to do. If there are mistakes in the code, errors will show up. Even if there are no errors, the program might still give wrong results. That's why testing checks for mistakes and debugging fixes any problems, making sure the program works correctly. Kining testing ug debugging is dili nimo makit-an kung naa kay mga sayop. Kining testing is dili nimo makit-an kung tama ang imong gihimo na program, kung nisunod pa siya sa imong mga gihimo. Kung naay mali sa imong code, mugawas na nay error. Bisag walay error is maghatag gihapon siya wrong results. So dapat i-check yun nimo ang imong program. The compilation process. After coding, the steps from the flowchart or pseudocode are written in a programming language as source code. However, computer can understand this source code yet. It needs to be converted into executable code by a compiler. A compiler is special software that translates source code into object code which the computer can understand and run. Kining compiler is isa siya na special software na makatabang unsaon pag-translate sa source code into object code na dali ra masabtan sa mga computers. The debugging process. Compiling a program is needed to create object code or executable code. However, if there are errors like typos or grammar mistakes in the program, no object or executable code can be made. These errors, called syntax error, happen when rules of the programming language aren't followed correctly. Need nimo mag-compile og isa ka program para makahimo kag isa ka code. Kung naay error like typos sa isa ka program, walay code na mahitabo. Kining mga sayop is ginatawag na syntax error. Kini ang mahitabo kung dili nimo sundon ang mga rules sa programming languages. Test run. Before using a program, a test run is done to find and fix any missed errors. Dummy data is used to check the output during this test. After fixing errors, the program is run again with actual data. If the output is still incorrect, the program is corrected, compiled, and tested again. Two types of error found during a test run are runtime errors and logic errors. Runtime errors happen when the program tries to do something impossible, causing it to stop suddenly. Logic errors don't stop the program but cause incorrect results. If the output isn't as expected, a logic error is likely present. Kining test run is gamiton nimo siya before nimo gamiton ng isa ka program. Gamiton nimo ning test run para makit-an og ayuhon ang imong mga mali. Ay duha ka errors na makit-an pag mag-test run ka. Runtime errors and logic errors. Kining runtime errors is mahitabo ni siya kung isa ka program is maghimog isa ka bagay na imposible. Mag-stop na dayon siya diretso. While kining logic errors, dili siya mag-stop but hatagan kaniyag mali na results. Number 5 is implementation. After testing the program and confirming the output is correct with test data, it's ready for real use. The program is then run with live data, closely monitored by the programmer. For the next 3 months, the output is watched carefully to ensure any errors, even small ones, are found and fixed. Kini implementation is mahitabo ni siya pag human nimog test sa isa ka program. Kung ready na siya magamit. In 3 months is bantayon ang imong program, tan-awon kung nay errors, bisag gamay ra is tan-awon nila na og ayuhon. And the last one is maintenance and documentation. Kini mahitabo ni siya kung maayo na imong program o humana ka. Diri sa documentation, dili lang siya isulat ang mga giimo nimo. Makatabang ni siya para na kay backup in case na ma-delete nimo ang isa ka program. O kung ang isa ka programmer is muhawa, Kung wala ning documentation, ang next na mohawid sa imong program is malisudan kay wala na may documentation. Og kini ra ang sa introduction to programming. Thank you.